Hey everybody, I'd like to go ahead and introduce everyone to our brand new 2025 Ford Maverick Tremor. Let's do a quick walk around. So I don't know if we just went out and did a little bit exploring yesterday. Got back and washed her after going to the beach. So the color is Eruption Green. I've gotten a lot of compliments on it. I wish it came in the new Ranger that I ordered, but unfortunately it didn't, so I got the Ranger in black. So yeah, made a couple of modifications to it right away. So at first it came with these stickers that came in this area. I'm not sure, maybe it was to reduce glare or something, or maybe just to set them apart, but I went ahead and took those off and removed that. It has the tremor indicator here, so I don't need a bunch of other stickers on the car. And then also there were some stickers that ran across down here. I went ahead and removed those too. I think also back here there's a sticker tremor, and there was one more, I think down here. It's been removed, and the dealership put their sticker up here that I went ahead and pulled off. Same, it was mirrored on this side as well. It wasn't difficult. I just kind of picked at a corner, and once I was able to get enough to just pull, they just pretty much just pulled off without too much trouble and didn't leave any residue, except for this section here. There was like a perfect round circle of adhesive residue there. So I got some automotive goof off. There's a specific goof off that's made for automotive paint, and then you just kind of spray, let it soak for a bit. And I used some I have some white old white t-shirts that I just used and kind of just wiped it away. I mean, it was more than wipe away, it took a bit of effort, but got it all off. So yeah, and then we went ahead and got it synced up to the FordPass app. So you just go here, you hit add vehicle, and when you open the door, you can just scan here and it'll add. So some of the things you can do, you can see the current fuel level, what it's currently doing, and its location. You can also schedule remote starts. So I like to schedule them for whenever, when it was cold, then I would schedule them for just to warm up the car before I left for work. And it'll also tell you current tire pressure. Here's current mileage, where we're at now. Let's see, it's Super Bowl weekend, and we got it New Year's Eve, and we've already done 2,200 miles. I'll probably end up doing an oil change at 5,000 miles. Alright, let's check out the inside. So I think the Tremor comes with the orange yellow accents, and then the rest of them come with like a light blue, I believe. Everywhere else you see yellow, you'd see light blue. And then this came with the black interior instead of that, I don't know what, it's like a light brown or a tan almost now. Same black interior. It's like a vinyl. I wouldn't call it leather. And then I added these for the wife. They are from Mabet or Mabet. I don't know how you pronounce it. I got them off Amazon. They said she can hang some like grocery bags or her backpack for work. I think if the kids have pop socket, I think for phones or iPads, you can put them in here and it'll hold that. Alright.